Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Find your comfortable spot and just breathe with me for a moment. After last week's session on responding versus reacting, I kept thinking about this quote that stopped me in my tracks. It goes, "You do not need to attend every argument you're invited to." I mean, how profound is that? I had a situation this week. Someone was really trying to pull me into their drama. And normally, my people pleasing side would have jumped right in, trying to fix everything, absorbing all their energy. But I remembered what we practiced last week about that sacred pause, that space between trigger and response. And in that space, I heard Maya Angelou's wisdoms whispering, "Your peace is not their playground." It's very thought-provoking for me, right? Because here's what I'm learning. We think we have to engage with every piece of negativity that gets thrown our way. Like we're somehow obligated to catch every emotional grenade someone tosses at us. But what if? What if we could be like mountains, unmovable, grounded, letting the storms pass right over us without getting pulled into the chaos? So, that's what we're going to explore today. Not just how to respond instead of react, but also how to protect your peace as the sacred thing it is. How to recognize when someone's harsh words aren't even about you. They're just projecting their own pain. So, let's settle in and discover this beautiful power together. Let's begin by finding our ground. Feel your body supported, whether you're sitting or lying down. Place both feet flat on the floor if you're sitting, really feeling that connection to the earth beneath you. Close your eyes gently, like you're drawing soft curtains across your awareness. Take 3 deep breaths with me. Breathing in strength, breathing out anything that isn't serving you right now. Again, inhaling peace and exhaling tension. One more time. Breathing in your power, releasing what isn't yours to carry. Now, I want you to imagine yourself as a mountain. Strong, rooted, ancient. You've weathered countless storms, and you remain. Visualize your base going deep into the earth. Your peak reaching towards the sky. From this mountain perspective, bring to mind someone who has tried to pull you into their chaos recently. Maybe they were critical, demanding, or projecting their frustrations onto you. See them clearly, but from your mountain vantage point. Notice that from up here, their words, their drama, their energy. It's like weather passing over you. It doesn't penetrate your core. It doesn't shake your foundation. You can see their pain clearly, the hurt beneath their harsh words, the fear driving their behavior, and you feel compassion. But you don't absorb it. You don't make it yours. Breathe into this truth. I see your pain, but I will not become it. Let that settle into your body. Feel how it's possible to have an open heart without having porous boundaries. Now, imagine someone approaches your mountain with anger, with demands, trying to start an argument. From your grounded place, you simply observe. You are not ignoring them. You are choosing not to engage with their chaos. Watch as their negative energy slides right off you, like rain rolling down stone. It doesn't stick. It doesn't become yours. Feel into this power of non-reaction. This isn't avoidance. This is mastery. This is recognizing that not every invitation into drama deserves your RSVP. Place one hand on your heart. Feel your own rhythm, your own peace. This is what you're protecting. This is your sacred ground. Silently repeat, my peace is not their playground. I choose what energy I engage with. My peace is not their playground. I choose what energy I engage with. Feel this truth radiating from your heart through your entire being. You are not responsible for managing other people's emotions. You are not obligated to fix their wounds or absorb their projections. Now, still as this mountain, imagine moving through your day ahead. See yourself encountering different energies, some loving, some challenging. Notice how you can remain grounded, how you can choose your responses from a place of strength rather than reaction. When someone tries to hand you their anger, their frustration, their chaos, you simply don't take it. You let it fall to the ground because you know who you are. You know your worth. And you know that protecting your peace is not selfish, it's essential. Take a deep breath and really anchor this knowing in your body. You have permission to walk away. You have permission to stay silent. You have permission to decline invitations into other people's storms. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. keeping this mountain strength alive in you. And when you open your eyes, you carry this unshakable peace with you. You are the master of your own energy. You decide what gets your attention and what gets your peace. Slowly open your eyes, mountain soul, and welcome back. Beautiful, powerful work today, and I hope you felt that shift from being reactive to being like a mountain, grounded and unmovable. Remember, every time someone tries to pull you into their chaos this week, you get to choose. You can see their pain with compassion without making it your burden to carry. Your peace is sacred. Guard it fiercely and guard it with love. I'll see you next week. And remember, you don't have to attend every argument you are invited to.